Okay, in today's video I'm just going to update a setup that I gave you this past week, and it was in EXPE. It was basically a zigzag or two-step pattern into a support decision, and it didn't look great for a couple of days. It was having a hard time moving off of this area, but we finally did start to see some buy signals, and if this low is any good, then the potential upside target is the 1272 extension of this full zigzag pattern, okay? And that would be the 134.30 area. On the way up, I want you to be aware of a couple of hurdles that would come in, places where you have to watch for a possible failure if you can't just clear them. We have the 100% projection of that prior rally swing, 128.24, and then a 618 retracement of the prior high to low, 129.18. If we can clear those areas, then the odds increase for a rally towards this target. It doesn't guarantee that we'll get there, but that's what you would typically look for. Now beyond that, if you missed the signal, I'm going to show you an example of a trigger on a 30-minute chart, and that is where we both had the moving average crossover, and you took out a prior swing high in that with that cross. And if you missed the entry, what you can do is just look at the general pullback for an entry. And typically, I'll look for anywhere between 50% to 786 as far as the pullback, anywhere in here. And you can look at an entry, whether you're, selling a credit spread or buying a debit spread or, outright call or even just buying the stock. But that's where you'd look to get in. And then at that point, your risk can be defined underneath this recent low at 124.33. And if we're right, then we know what the upside potential is. And if we're wrong, then we know to get the heck out if it doesn't hold up above the levels we need it to.